Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is really fun. We are talking about how to shop like a king with only $1.
Yes, it sounds crazy, right? How can you feel rich with just $1?
Well, today we will show you that it's possible. And you can also learn English while having fun.
Let's start by thinking about what it means to shop like a king. What do you think, Sarah?
I think shopping like a king means you feel happy, you get a lot of things, and you enjoy spending your money.
Exactly. It's not just about having a lot of money. It's about being smart and feeling good about what you buy.
So, if you only have $1, you need to be very smart. You need to think, what can I buy that will make me happy?
That's right. First tip, go to places where things are cheap. For example, you can go to a dollar store.
A dollar store is a shop where everything costs $1 or even less. You can find so many things there.
Yes, you can find snacks, toys, notebooks, pens, sunglasses, and even small gifts.
One time, I went to a dollar store with only $1. I found a cute notebook. It made me feel so happy.
That's a great example. Buying something small but useful is a smart way to shop like a king.
Another idea is to buy something to share with friends, like a big bag of candy.
Oh yes, if you buy candy and share it with your friends, you don't just buy candy, you buy happiness.
Sharing makes you feel rich inside, and you also make others happy.
So the second tip, buy something that you can enjoy with others.
Now let's think about another way. What if you go to a market? Sometimes local markets have very cheap fruits and vegetables.
That's true. You can get maybe 2 or 3 bananas for $1.
Or a big bag of tomatoes, healthy and cheap.
So the third tip is, look for fresh food at local markets.
Fresh food is good for your body, and you will feel proud that you bought something healthy.
Let's not forget, another way to shop like a king is to look for sales.
Sales are when stores make prices lower for a short time. Sometimes you can buy 2 things for the price of 1.
If you are lucky, you can find a big discount and feel like you won a prize.
I remember once I bought 2 t-shirts for $1 because there was a big sale at the store.
Wow, that's amazing. You see, if you look carefully, your $1 can do big things.
So the fourth tip is, watch for sales and special discounts.
Now let's imagine. You have your $1. You walk into a dollar store. What do?
First, you look around. You don't buy the first thing you see, you think, what will make me the happiest?
That's a smart move. Shopping like a king means choosing with care, not just buying fast.
Yes. Maybe you find a nice cup, or a small toy, or a funny sticker book. Choose something that brings a smile to your face.
Because shopping like a king is not about the size or the price. It's about how you feel.
That's the secret. It's about making good choices and feeling good about them.
So let's review the tips quickly. Go to places where things are cheap. Buy something you can share. Look for fresh food at local markets. Watch for sales and discounts.
And always remember, it's not about having a lot of money. It's about being smart, feeling happy, and enjoying the little things.
I really love this idea. Shopping like a king with $1 is not just possible, it's fun.
It really is. And there's still so much more we can do with just $1.
So let's talk more about how to use $1 in clever ways. Are you ready, Sarah?
I'm ready. Let's get even more creative. One idea is to visit a secondhand store.
A secondhand store is a shop that sells used things. You can find amazing surprises there.
Yes. Sometimes you can find books, clothes, small decorations, even toys, and they are very cheap.
I once bought a nice storybook for just 50 cents at a secondhand shop. It was almost new.
That's amazing. Reading a new story for only 50 cents? That's shopping like a king.
So here's another tip. Visit secondhand stores and look for hidden treasures.
Another fun idea is to use your dollar to buy materials to create something.
Oh, like art supplies?
Yes. And making art is also good for your mind and your feelings. It helps you relax.
That's a wonderful idea. You spend your dollar, but you make something priceless. A gift from your heart.
Now let's think about food again. Sometimes you can find a small meal or snack for $1.
So another smart tip. Buy simple craft supplies and create something special, like a small sandwich, or maybe a slice of pizza, or a little ice cream cone.
That's true. Food is a great way to make yourself happy for a small price.
You can sit in the park, eat your snack, enjoy the sunshine, and feel rich inside.
And remember, happiness doesn't always cost a lot of money.
So, another tip. Treat yourself to a small snack and enjoy it fully.
You know, sometimes people think $1 is nothing, but really, it can be magic if you use it well.
That's very true. $1 can bring you smiles, memories, and even new adventures.
For example, you could use your dollar to join a small game.
Oh, like playing a game at a fair or festival?
Yes, sometimes you can pay $1 to play a simple game and maybe win a little prize.
Even if you don't win, it's fun to try and enjoy the moment.
Exactly. The experience is more important than the prize.
So, another idea. Spend your dollar on an experience, not just a thing.
I really like that. Experiences stay in your heart much longer than objects sometimes.
Let's also talk about helping others. You could use your $1 to do something kind.
Like giving it to a donation box or buying a small treat for someone else.
Yes, kindness is like a superpower. When you help someone, you feel even richer inside.
So, another tip is use your dollar to spread kindness.
Shopping like a king isn't just about buying for yourself. It's about feeling good and making the world better.
That's so true. Even with $1, you can make a big difference.
So, let's add to our list of smart ideas. Visit secondhand shops. Buy craft supplies and make something. Treat yourself to a snack. Spend your dollar on an experience. Use your dollar to do something kind.
Wow, look how many things we can do with just $1.
It's all about the way you think. A positive mind can turn a small coin into a big adventure.
I agree. And when you think like a king, you shop like a king, no matter how much money you have.
So, next time you have $1 in your hand, smile and think, what adventure can I create today?
Shopping like a king is not about how much you spend. It's about how much joy you find.
And believe me, friends, joy is something we can all find, even for just $1.
Speaking of joy, there are even more smart ways to use that little dollar.
Let's think about even more fun and smart ways to use $1.
Sure, here's another idea. You can buy a small packet of seeds.
Oh, like flower seeds or vegetable seeds?
Yes. You can plant them at home, in a garden, or even in a small pot on your window.
That's wonderful. You spend $1 and you get something that grows and makes you happy for a long time.
Exactly. Watching a flower grow or a tomato plant getting bigger can bring a lot of joy.
So another tip, buy seeds and grow something beautiful.
I love that idea. It teaches patience and gives you a gift from nature.
Here's another fun thought. You could use your dollar to buy a small ticket for a community event.
Like a local fair, a small museum, or a local sports game.
Yes, some community places have very cheap tickets, and you can have a full day of fun for just $1.
That's a great way to make memories without spending much.
So another tip is, look for low-cost events or activities in your community.
And sometimes you can also find things like art shows, music festivals, or little food markets.
True. And meeting new people, seeing new things, and hearing music can make you feel rich in your heart.
Another cool idea is using your $1 to buy a postcard and send it to someone.
Oh, that's lovely. Getting a postcard in the mail is so special these days.
You can write a happy message, and it will make someone's day better.
So another sweet idea. Buy a postcard and share a little happiness.
You see, shopping like a king is really about thinking bigger than just things.
It's about joy, experiences, memories, and sharing.
Even if you buy just one small thing, if it makes you smile or helps someone else smile, you are a true king.
Let's quickly remember all the smart ideas we talked about. Go to dollar stores. Share candy with friends. Buy fresh food at local markets. Watch for sales. Visit secondhand shops. Create something with craft supplies. Treat yourself to a small snack. Spend on experiences, not just things. Use your dollar for kindness. Grow something from seeds. Find cheap community events. Send a happy postcard.
Wow, that's a big list for just one little dollar.
Yes. So next time you have a dollar in your pocket, remember, you can be a king. You just need to be smart, kind, and creative.
Shopping like a king is not about having gold or diamonds. It's about using your heart and your mind.
And that's something we all can do, every day, with just a little bit of money and a big imagination.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today.
We had so much fun sharing these ideas with you.
We hope you feel ready to shop like a king even if you only have $1.
Stay happy, stay smart, and keep shining like a king.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.